Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Fluent Path English. I'm James.
And I'm Emily. Thanks for tuning in today. You know, James, learning to drive can be one of the most exciting and nerve-wracking experiences ever.
Oh, absolutely. There's nothing like that first time behind the wheel. Some people get super nervous while others act like they're ready for Formula One.
Yeah. And that mix of excitement and fear can lead to some hilarious or even scary moments.
Exactly. And that's what today's dialogue is about. A woman is having a driving lesson with her instructor, but let's just say it doesn't go as planned.
Right. It starts off fine, but things quickly spiral out of control.
Exactly. All right, now let's listen to the dialogue for the first time.
Okay, I'm ready for my driving lesson. Should I start the car?
Hold on there, Fittipaldi. First, let's go over things one more time. Now, before you even think of starting the car, make sure your seat is at a comfortable position and you can grip the steering wheel firmly. Next, check your rear view mirrors to make sure you can see properly.
We've been through this a million times. Let's get going already. I'm ready.
Fine. Start the car. Okay, now gently step on the clutch and shift to first gear. Good. Now accelerate gently and let go of the clutch as you do it. There we go. Good.
I'm doing it. I'm driving. This is awesome. Let's turn some music on.
Keep your eyes on the road. No music. We are coming up to a red light. Step on the brakes. What are you doing? I said the brakes. Look out for those people. Get off the sidewalk!
Get out of my way! Oh, this is just like playing video games.
It's the police! Pull over.
They'll never take me alive!
Wow, that escalated quickly. She went from calm to chaos in just a few seconds.
Yeah, it started like a normal lesson, but ended like an action movie. I love how confident she was. Maybe a little too confident.
Totally. The instructor was doing his best to keep things under control, but she definitely had other plans.
It's such a funny example of how people can get carried away when they're excited.
Exactly. And there are lots of useful phrases here, both for giving instructions and for reacting to crazy situations.
Right. So now, let's take a closer look at some of those key expressions.
All right, so let's start with the question. Shall I start the car?
Shall I start the car?
Shall I start the car?
This phrase means you're politely asking for permission to begin doing something. Like you're offering to do it but waiting for approval.
Exactly. If you said, "Can I start the car?" it'd sound more like you're asking about your ability to do it, like you're not sure you can start it.
Right, both are okay. But shall I sounds more polite or formal. Kind of like what you'd say to a teacher or instructor.
Exactly. So in the dialogue, when she says, "I'm ready for my driving lesson. Shall I start the car?" she's really saying, "Is it okay if I begin now?"
Right. For example, shall I open the window means, do you want me to open it? It's a polite offer.
Okay, next. Let's look at the phrase, "Hold on there, Fittipaldi."
Hold on there, Fittipaldi.
Hold on there, Fittipaldi.
I love this line. First, hold on there means wait a second or slow down, right?
Exactly. It's what you'd say when someone's rushing or getting ahead of themselves. And Fittipaldi. That's a cheeky reference to Emerson Fittipaldi, a famous Brazilian Formula One driver.
Right. So the instructor's using irony, calling her Fittipaldi because she's acting like a pro racer even though she's a beginner.
Totally. He's playfully warning her to chill out a bit.
Exactly. For example, hold on there, I didn't say you could go yet. That means, hey, wait, don't rush ahead.
All right, now let's go over the phrase, go over.
Go over.
Go over.
Yeah, that's a super common one. This phrase means to review or check something carefully. like when you go over notes before a test or instructions before doing something important.
Exactly. In the dialogue, let's go over things one more time means let's review everything again before starting the car.
Right. For example, let's go over your presentation slides once more. That just means let's check them carefully again.
Next up, the phrase, make sure.
Make sure.
Make sure.
It basically means to check or confirm something before doing it. Super useful for giving advice or instructions. Like, make sure you've got your keys before leaving the house.
Yep. And in the dialogue, make sure your seat is at a comfortable position means check that your seat is properly adjusted before driving.
Great. For example, make sure you lock the door before leaving. Means check that the door is locked.
Now let's talk about steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
This is one of the most important parts of a car that is that big round thing you hold to control the direction of the car.
Yup. And in the dialogue, when he says, grip the steering wheel firmly, it means hold it tightly and securely.
For example, keep both hands on the steering wheel when driving. That means don't take your hands off.
And next is rear view mirror.
Rear view mirror.
Rear view mirror.
A rear view mirror is the mirror inside the car that lets you see behind you.
Right. It's what you use to check traffic or see if someone's tailing you.
In the dialogue, check your rear view mirrors to make sure you can see properly means look into your mirrors before you start driving.
Another example, always check your rear view mirror before changing lanes. That's a basic rule for safe driving.
Awesome. So now that we've gone through these driving expressions, let's listen to the dialogue again and see how they sound in real conversation.
Okay, I'm ready for my driving lesson. Should I start the car?
Hold on there, Fittipaldi. First, let's go over things one more time. Now, before you even think of starting the car, make sure your seat is at a comfortable position and you can grip the steering wheel firmly. Next, check your rear view mirrors to make sure you can see properly.
We've been through this a million times. Let's get going already. I'm ready.
Fine. Start the car. Okay, now gently step on the clutch and shift to first gear. Good. Now accelerate gently and let go of the clutch as you do it. There we go. Good.
I'm doing it. I'm driving. This is awesome. Let's turn some music on.
Keep your eyes on the road. No music. We are coming up to a red light. Step on the brakes. What are you doing? I said the brakes. Look out for those people. Get off the sidewalk.
Get out of my way. Oh, this is just like playing video games.
It's the police. Pull over.
They'll never take me alive.
This time, I noticed how funny the contrast was between the instructor's seriousness and her wild excitement.
Yeah, it really captures that student-teacher dynamic, where one is totally focused and the other just wants to have fun.
And the instructor's line, "Hold on there, Fittipaldi," was hilarious. It shows he's trying to calm her down with a bit of humor.
Exactly. And it's packed with phrases that learners can use for giving directions or reacting in tense moments.
Right. So let's move on and take a look at some more useful phrases from the dialogue.
Okay, let's start with the word clutch.
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 So, the clutch is a pedal in cars with manual transmission that connects and disconnects the engine from the wheels. You press it when changing gears.
Right. In the dialogue, when he says, "Now gently step on the clutch and shift to first gear," he's telling her to press it lightly so she can change gears smoothly.
Here's an example. Don't forget to press the clutch when shifting gears. It means use the clutch pedal to change gears.
Next, let's check the word accelerate.
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 To accelerate means to increase your speed, to make the car go faster. You'll hear it a lot in driving contexts.
Exactly. In the dialogue, good. Now, accelerate gently means press the gas pedal slowly to move forward.
Right. For example, the car began to accelerate as it went downhill, means it started to go faster.
Now, let's look at the phrase, let go of something.
Let go of something.
Let go of something.
It means to release or stop holding something. You can use it for physical objects or even emotional situations.
Right. In the dialogue, let go of the clutch as you do it means release the clutch pedal slowly while you accelerate.
Exactly. For example, let go of the rope slowly means release the rope carefully.
Okay, next up, sidewalk.
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 A sidewalk is the paved area next to a street where people walk. You should never drive on it.
Yeah, and in the dialogue, when he shouts, get off the sidewalk, he's panicking because she accidentally drove onto the pedestrian area, which is, of course, super dangerous.
Here's an example. There were people walking on the sidewalk. Means they were walking along the street, not on the road.
Now let's talk about the phrase pull over.
Pull over.
Pull over.
Pull over means to stop your car by the side of the road, usually when the police or someone asks you to.
Exactly. In the dialogue, when he says, it's the police, pull over, he means move to the side and stop safely. He's telling her to obey the police.
For example, the police officer told me to pull over. Means he asked me to stop my car at the side of the road.
And finally, the phrase, they'll never take me alive.
They'll never take me alive.
They'll never take me alive.
This is something people say dramatically when they refuse to surrender, usually in movies or jokes. It shows defiance or rebellion.
Yeah, in the dialogue, she's joking and acting like a movie criminal who refuses to get caught. It's totally exaggerated and funny.
Exactly. She's just being playful and dramatic, showing her excitement, not real danger.
That was great. Now that we've covered those exciting expressions, let's listen to the dialogue one last time and hear them all in action.
Okay, I'm ready for my driving lesson. Should I start the car?
Hold on there, Fittipaldi. First, let's go over things one more time. Now, before you even think of starting the car, make sure your seat is at a comfortable position and you can grip the steering wheel firmly. Next, check your rear view mirrors to make sure you can see properly.
We've been through this a million times. Let's get going already. I'm ready.
Fine. Start the car. Okay, now gently step on the clutch and shift to first gear. Good. Now accelerate gently and let go of the clutch as you do it. There we go. Good.
I'm doing it. I'm driving. This is awesome. Let's turn some music on.
Keep your eyes on the road. No music. We are coming up to a red light. Step on the brakes. What are you doing? I said the brakes. Look out for those people. Get off the sidewalk.
Get out of my way. Oh, this is just like playing video games.
It's the police. Pull over.
They'll never take me alive.
All right, that's it for today's episode. Hopefully our listeners enjoyed that wild ride and picked up some useful expressions along the way.
Yeah, it's a perfect mix of humor and chaos, and a reminder that driving safely is no joke.
Exactly. Always stay calm behind the wheel, no matter how exciting it feels.
And if you're learning to drive, maybe don't compare it to a video game.
Good advice, Emily. All right, guys, thanks again for joining us today.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review.
We'll be back with more fun and useful English conversation soon.
See you next time.
Bye.